The junior developer death spiral. I might not replace senior developers, but it's quietly killing the next generation before they even get a chance. I'm Etienne Newman, and this is your AI Unraveled social media pulse. A massive debate has erupted over the junior dev dilemma. The problem isn't that AI can write better code than a junior, it's that AI is doing all the drudge work, where juniors used to learn the trade. 150 comments deep, senior engineers are sounding the alarm. If the entry-level CRUD work is automated away, where do the seniors of 2030 come from? The Reddit community is warning of a catastrophic talent drought looming on the horizon. Even more concerning is the rise of vibe coding. Users describe a new wave of developers who can build complex systems using agents like Claude Code, but have no idea how the underlying architecture works. It's being labeled a ticking security time bomb. Systems that look perfect on the outside, but are fundamentally unmaintainable once the AI makes a mistake. As technical roles evolve, staying informed is the only way to stay relevant. Jamga Mind turns technical newsletters and complex mandates into 60-second audio intelligence. Upskill your mind while you're on the move at jamgamind.com. Who fixes the mess when the vibe-coded systems fail? I'm deep diving into the broken talent pipeline in today's daily AI news rundown. Hear the full report in today's main episode.